Hey, hi guys, today we are going to remove the switches on today we're gonna remove the climate switches on a 2019 Cadillac XT4. So you start from there, like move this panel, and then this panel comes all the way right over here.
Outline.
See, so now we have removed the upper panel. Then there is the push start switch that you gotta unplug first. Okay, now we are going to remove the 4 screws of the screen. So we have removed the 4 screws. Now the screen should just pop out, but it should take some effort. Okay, so we have removed the screen, and then behind the screen you have 2 connectors. Okay, so these connectors, they're kind of locked, and you gotta use a screwdriver to put it right over there and just lift it, and it should just pop out. So all these connectors are locked, so you gotta use a screwdriver to like get this like red lock outwards. Then it should unlock the connector and just pull out. And it's actually the same thing on the display right over here. Here you have the white lock. Yeah, you gotta push upward and then pull. To install the display, all you gotta do is put it like where like shut go, and just like put like inwards, and it should click in, and then there you put the 4 screws, 2 on the right and 2 on the left, and you screw them. Now you're gonna plug back the wire for the push start button. And after you hear a click, it's like securely connected. And now you're just gonna put the cover over the screen, and it should fit right in through the home button. And then just like press it, so like after you like hear the click, then it's like connected. And on the other side you do the same, just press on it, and it should hear a click. Then once you hear a click, it's like securely connected.